Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today we have a sponsored video by LUVME Hair. They sent me over this beautiful BodyWave Deep Plum 5x5 closure. And I didn't even have to curl it. These curls came in the package. Signed and delivered in the package, okay? All I did was took my paddle brush and brushed them out. That's all I did. Look, the curls are not going anywhere. They're not going anywhere. But before I start this video, I do want to tell you guys about their new membership program. They do have a LUVME club that they have just started. And with that club, the more you order your wigs, the more perks you're gonna get. So they have like 4 different tiers, starting with a fan. And a fan is just someone that is interested in purchasing a wig with them. They haven't purchased one yet, but you can still receive, you know, discount codes from me. I'll leave my discount code here. First, you have the bronze member. So that means you have ordered one wig from them, and that's how you become a bronze member. Then you have the silver member. That is when you order 2 wigs. Then you have the golden member. That's when you purchase 4 or more wigs. And then you get to the purple queen when you order 8 wigs or more, okay? And the golden members and the purple queens definitely have the most perks, exclusive discount, monthly rewards, exclusive premium products, free shipping, and extended returns up to 90 days, okay? So with that being said, the more you order, the more you will earn and the more benefits you will get. All you have to do is go to their homepage. At their homepage at the top, it will say LUVME Club. From there, you can register, start out, and then whenever you order, they will keep track of it. And that's how you grow from one tier to the next, to the next, and to the next, okay? So yes, make sure you guys check that out so you can start reaping some of those benefits, okay? I just wanted to educate you guys on that new membership they have over at LUVME. We don't want to miss a perk and we don't want to miss a discount, okay? Because ladies, we got a whole bunch of things we need to buy, and saving a coin ain't gonna do nothing but help us, okay? So make sure you guys check that out, and let's go ahead and get into this video. Wait! Also, thank you so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. And let's get into this video. We're back with another LUVME wig. So, of course, in your packaging, you will get wig caps, your little pouch. I have some earrings, an edge wrap, and a baby hair brush in here. And, of course, a baggie to store your wig. So the wig today that we're working with is a dark plum body wave. I hope you guys are getting that color. Yes. So I'm not sure how many inches this is. I tried to look in the email and they didn't tell me what inches they was gonna send me. So I will have the exact inches in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. Here is a close-up on the lace. It is definitely pre-plucked. We are working with a 5x5 closure today. All right, let's get into the wig construction. It is a 5x5 closure, so lots and lots of parting space in there. You have 4 combs inside, elastic band, and adjustable straps down here as well. So I always love a good 5x5 closure because I'm telling you, it's quick and easy. They already have a side part going, so I think I might just keep that. I think I might just keep the side part. But yeah, let's get into it. The hair feels very soft, very luxurious, lots of body and bounce. As you can see, this hair might be like ready to go straight out of the package because these curls look, these are like ready to go curls. But we'll see. If I don't like them too much, I might brush them out, curl them myself, something like that. But anyway, let's get into installing this real quick. It's gonna be very, very quick, and I'll come back and tell you my final thoughts at the end. All right, you guys, I'm all done installing this wig. Let me just say this, the curls that came with the wig are fire because I didn't even recurl my hair. I just took my paddle brush and brushed the curls out, and they look like this. I think this looks beautiful. They look outstanding. What? We love a wig when we don't have to curl it. Just put it on there. And look at the lace, y'all. The lace is lacing, okay? Absolutely beautiful. I'm not sure the inches on this wig. I'm gonna say 20 inches, but the accurate information will be in the description box below, so make sure you always check out the description box. It's all in there, okay? But yes, the wig is laying flat, it's full, the curls are ready to go. This BodyWave is giving, and it's so good. Do you see? Look, the body and the fullness. This is a good texture. Like I can't even I can't front on the texture. The texture is there, and although this dark plum color is very, very subtle, you can see it in the light. So if you're like in a well lit area, people will definitely be able to see the color, but it's very subtle, and I like that too. So, but yes, this wig was so easy to install. I'm telling you guys, the 5x5 and 6x6s and even the 4x4s are the way to go. I'm telling you, it's so easy and quick. And look, and you don't even see this part. Like this part, it don't even be shown. Like you just be out and about and just, you know, chilling, looking good, giving a scalp, okay? I love it though. And the side part was already here, so I didn't have to side part nothing. When I tell you low maintenance, this was giving low maintenance wig, okay? Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And my hand just runs straight through it. It's not tangling at all. It just feels like good, thick, quality hair. Like, and that's all I can say. That's all I can say. And I didn't cut no layers in it. All I did was I did pluck the hairline a little bit more, but it was definitely worth it because this lace is lacing with the extra pluck on top, okay? That's all you needed was a little extra pluck, okay? But also not necessary if you don't want to do that, okay? But yes, this was a very quick and easy low maintenance wig to put on. Also, don't forget to join their new membership program. Get your wigs so you can earn points, which means discounts, which means saving money, and you'll get a wig like this. Who don't want quality hair? This hair feels so good. It feels like, I don't know what texture this is, but it's giving like a Brazilian texture, but it's nice and thick. I love it. I love it, y'all. But yeah, so make sure you guys join the program. Sign up for that. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Thank you again, LUVME Hair, for sponsoring this video. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.